Hey guys, so I just wanted to give a quick video to show you guys how to watch this Book Thief movie. First of all, it's the only one I could find that was free that would be accessible to all of you. So if you have another way to watch it, great. Otherwise, you can use this link. So once you click on the link, you're going to come to the screen, and I'm going to make it full screen so you guys can see what I'm doing. What you're going to need to do is click the little gear down here in the bottom right hand corner. And you have a couple of different options. You're going to go to the playback speed, so click on normal or click on the arrow next to normal, and you're going to change it to 0.75. That's because for whatever reason, this particular recording of the Book Thief is sped up. If you try to watch it at normal speed, it's going to be very hard for you to understand what they're even saying. So again, you're just going to hit the gear, which is right here, playback speed, and change it to 0.75, and that will make things a whole lot easier for you guys to understand. So I hope you enjoy the movie, and I hope you enjoy the book, and I'll talk to you guys soon.